Set up accounts in QuickBooks. If you want to have an accounting application that is easy to use, you should try using QuickBooks, which is built by a company named Intuit. To be able to use QuickBooks, you should have an account, whether a new one or an existing company account. If you want to know how to create one from scratch, then just read the step-by-step instructions below. It is relatively simple and the application itself is very easy to use, so you do not need to worry about making wrong turns as you create your account. Accessing QuickBooks. The first thing you need to do is to locate the QuickBooks application from your computer. You can do this by going to the Start menu, or if you have a desktop shortcut of the application, you can double-click it from there. If you are a first-time user of the application, it has a wizard that will assist you in creating a new company account. Creating a new bank account. Under the option named Banking, which can be found in the upper portion of the toolbar, you can select the Add New option, which will create a new account for you. It is set by default to point to bank, but there are also other types such as credit card accounts. For this article, we will assume that you are creating a new bank account. You just need to fill in your bank account details such as the account number and the starting balance. Setting up a customer account. If you happen to need to open a customer account, then all you need to do is to select the customer portion and click on the new option. You just need to fill in the customer details such as the address and job information. Do not forget to hit save before exiting the current dialog. Creating a vendor account. If you want to have a vendor account, then you just need to select the vendor option. Same with the customer account, just select the Add New option, enter the vendor information such as the company name and select OK. When you have all these in place, then you are ready to update your books by filling in the information and syncing the books as necessary. There is always the undo option if you think you made a mistake. As with any form of documentation that you do, you need to save periodically so that you will not cry over unsaved information that you accidentally lose. This is a very good tool to use so that you will not have a hard time setting up some accounting pages in your typical spreadsheet. In some cases, you can link this book to a different one in some form of collaboration. You can also ask for help from seasoned accountants for some easy tricks on how to do advanced functions in QuickBooks. There is also online help available from the software and from online forums. Do not hesitate to ask, and oftentimes, it is just a few clicks away from the search engines.